Always remember to put an item back from where you found it. And if it's not in its correct location, please make sure that you do place the item in its correct location. This is the tent. Once you unzip the bag, make sure that you carefully remove the tent from the bag. Once you have the tent upright, make sure that you carefully open it, making sure to spread all four corners evenly. You will have to take a moment to step on one of the corners in order to raise it up properly. After having done so, you and your team should then lift the interior until it is flush. Push up on the corners and make sure you pull down on the fabric. Cheers! To properly take down the tent, you will then have to work in reverse order. You will pull down on each corner, gently fold the tent inside of itself. Now, these tents are quite old, so you may have to use a key or another tool in order to push the legs in. Typically, you will use that red button. After having done so, place the tent back inside of its bag. Make sure that you properly zip the bag as well as replace all the straps. Ask for help if you don't know what to do. There are many straps and folds to these tent bags. Oftentimes you may have to pull and tug. Please be careful while doing so. Once the bag is secured, please make sure you return it to its rightful location.